Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will continue with the last chapter, chapter 13, India, our motherland. So in this chapter we will know more about our country, our motherland. So India, our motherland is a vast country, काफ़ी बड़ी country है and बहुत सारी variety है यहाँ पे. It has great variety in landforms like we are having northern mountains, we are having northern plains, we are having the Thar desert, we are having number of forests, we are having number of lakes like the Chilka Lake, the Vuller Lake, then the valleys, then the number of rivers, then we are also having plateaus. The Deccan Plateau is there. So there is huge variety in landforms. Not only landform, we do have huge variety in the flora and fauna. जो flora and fauna है, flora stands for the plant life and fauna stands for the animal life. So we do have variety of flora, variety of plantation and variety of animals in our country, from snow leopards to elephant, from the desert animals, the snakes, to the these crocodiles and alligators also. So we do have huge variety in fauna also. Then the climate में भी हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा variety है. आप देखेंगे mainly we are having 3 main seasons in our country, that is summer season, then monsoon season, followed by the winter season. And other than these 3 main seasons, we are also having 2 short seasons like the autumn season जो अभी कुछ time पहले ही हमने देखा है, and then the upcoming spring season. Right, so we are having almost 5 types of climate here. Then the tradition and culture, we are having different tradition and different culture in all the different parts of our country, and we are also having great diversity that makes our country more unique. Now further, as far as land area is concerned, India is the 7th largest country in the world when it comes to area, and it spreads over 3,879 kilometers from here, Ladakh, which is in the northernmost point, to Tamil Nadu, which is the southernmost point. And then in the east we are having Arunachal Pradesh. From Arunachal Pradesh to the Gujarat, which is the westernmost point, there is this 3,328 kilometers. Now India is having 28 states and 8 union territories. As you can see in this picture, 28 states are there in our country, and the largest state is the Rajasthan, whereas the smallest one is Goa. And we are also having 8 union territories: Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So continuing with the 8 union territories of India, so there is this phrase, दादा आप जल्दी चलो. अगर ये phrase आपके माइंड में रहेगा, आप इसको याद रख सकेंगे, तो बहुत easily आपको 8 union territories का नेम लर्न हो जाएगा. First is दादा. दादा stands for Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Then आप का आ से आ गया Andaman and Nicobar Island. आप, P stands for Pondicherry, जिसकी कैपिटल पुदुचेरी है. Then जल्दी का जा stands for Jammu and Kashmir, L stands for Ladakh, D ये बन गया जल्दी, तो it is Delhi. और चलो में च से आ गया आपका चंडीगढ़ और लो से आ गया आपका लक्षद्वीप. तो this is how it is दादा आप जल्दी चलो. Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Pondicherry. Then जल्दी से Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Delhi, और चलो से चंडीगढ़, लक्षद्वीप. सो अगर ये एक लाइन आपको याद रहती है, तो इस लाइन में आपको सभी जितनी भी हमारी 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं उनके नेम आपको इजी हो जाएगा लर्न करने के लिए. Now next is the India's neighboring countries. As far as India's neighboring countries are concerned, we are having Nepal. This is the location of Nepal. Then Bhutan, then China, then Tibet is here. Tibet का जो रीजन है वो चाइना ने ऑक्यूपाई किया हुआ है, तो तिब्बत इज़ हेयर. एंड देन म्यांमार. इसे पहले म्यांमार का पुराना नाम बर्मा है. ये काफ़ी पुराना मैप है, तो इसमें म्यांमार को बर्मा का नाम से शो किया हुआ है. देन इज़ बांग्लादेश. Then Sri Lanka, which is having its water boundary with our country, and Sri Lanka के अलावा we also share our boundary with Pakistan. And जो POK है, POK में we share boundary with Afghanistan, and हमारी distance neighbor बोल सकते हैं, Maldives is also our distance neighbor. So all these are our neighboring countries. There is also a trick to learn the name of these neighboring countries that we will do some other day. Today we will continue with the continents. Like this is the world map, as you can see, and we are having 7 continents. Continent का मतलब होता है huge land masses. जो बहुत बड़े बड़े land masses होते हैं वो continents होते हैं. continents को हिंदी में महाद्वीप कहा जाता है. तो द्वीप कहा जाता है islands को. जब islands जो है वो huge हों, काफ़ी बड़े बड़े हों, तो उनको महाद्वीप यानी कि continents कहा जाता है. So these are the 7 continents, and along with 7 continents we are having 5 oceans. तो 7 continents हैं हमारे पास: नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, यूरोप, अफ्रीका, एशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अंटार्कटिका. एक 8th कॉन्टिनेंट न्यूजीलैंडिया को भी क्लेम किया जा रहा है, जो अभी अप्रूव नहीं हुआ है. इट इज़ स्टिल अंडर अप्रूवल, दो ये पूरी तरह से मर्ज है न्यूजीलैंडिया, एंड उसको भी सी में से निकाल करके एक कॉन्टिनेंट की तरह यूज़ करने की सोच रहे हैं विद द टेक्नोलॉजी. मे बी इट इज़ पॉसिबल लेटर आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स, बट राइट नाउ वी आर हैविंग 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स ओनली एंड 5 ओशियंस. सो these are the 7 continents. Along with these 7 continents, these 7 continents, they are separated from each other by 5 oceans, and these are the Pacific Ocean. Here the Pacific Ocean, मैं दोबारा कर देती हूँ to avoid confusion. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So हमारे पास 7 continents हैं and 5 oceans हैं. इन 7 continents में हमारी country, जो हमारी motherland India है, this is its location. It is present in the continent of Asia. Asia के continent में ये present है. And now, do you know that the landform of India, we are having huge variety of landforms, and in India these landforms includes mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus and islands also, right? So these are the few physical features of India. It is the नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, जो कि नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट डायरेक्शन में है, इसलिए इनका नाम नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स रखा गया, और इन्हीं को हम द हिमालयन रेंज भी कहते हैं. देन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, जो हिमालयन रेंज के साउथ में इनके बिल्कुल फुट के पास जहाँ पे ये ख़त्म होते हैं वहाँ पे स्टार्ट होते हैं हमारे नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. देन द इंडियन डेजर्ट, जो हमारा वेस्टर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट है वहाँ पे इंडियन डेजर्ट है जिसका नाम है द Thar Desert. Then the Deccan Plateau, which is in the center of our country. Then we are having 2 island groups in the western direction. In Arabian Sea we are having Lakshadweep, and here we are having Andaman and Nicobar group of islands, 2 island groups, and we are also having the Ghats, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, जो आपने 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में भी पढ़े हैं कि जो कोस्टल एरियाज़ हैं उन्होंने घाट्स फॉर्म कर दिए हैं. वेस्टर्न डायरेक्शन में वेस्टर्न घाट और ईस्टर्न डायरेक्शन में ईस्टर्न घाट. वी विल लर्न मोर अबाउट दीज फिजिकल फीचर्स in our next class. Till then, bye bye, take care everyone.